Oh, thanks.
750 Four.
Do you really? Oh, that's nice.
Look at it, full left.
Thanks. Well, friends, that was a bust. My buddy had to reschedule. See, he wasn't there. He chickened out probably. Oh well, I know that. Well, at least we'll go by the airport and screw around. See what kind of aero machines are there. Hey, what's this taking off? She's looking a little speedy. And she is speedy. Looks like a T6. Might have to watch some aero machines out here. Let's see what they got out here. I need to go to the flying school anyway. Talk about becoming one of them aero pilots. I want to fly an aerospace vehicle. Nice looking Mooney up there. Looks like a nice fixer-upper Piper. I think that one was for sale not long ago. I'm looking at buying a little Cherokee. That was for sale. That was part of the flight schools, I do believe. There's the old medevac. Y'all probably can't see shit on this damn camera because everything's so freaking far away on the GoPro. There's the Popo. They got a hell of a car. Ooh, I didn't know that was over here now. Huh? That used to be over at Peachtree City Airport. There's a nice couple of drug runners. Hells yeah, we can haul some drugs with them babies. Ha! There was another one last week, or 2 weeks ago. I wonder if they chopped it up already. Damn, that old looks like a hawker. That thing's seen better days. Those two hangars right over there, guy I work with, I work for part-time, that's going to be his hangars. Well, they pulled her out. I should go up there and just hang out with the fella. I'm sure he wouldn't mind. I guess they're gonna take off on that joker. Yeah, it's not a plug or nothing, but if you do have a private jet, Ward Daddy Aviation in Peachtree City, Georgia, real good company. Get your jet worked on, pretty much anything from light maintenance to, I mean, pretty doggone heavy checks. We've done 120-month checks on a Falcon 50, and that's about as heavy as I think you can get on an airplane. I mean, it was stripped down to the bones. They ain't scared. They do anything. So, for all you rich people with private jets, come on by War Daddy. I don't know why my brake started squealing again. It's going to drive me nuts again. We'll go over there and see how they're doing. They're just building those hangars, so they haven't moved in yet. I'll go check them out. I may or may not get my avgas from right there, just to let you know. If you need some avgas, find a little airport like this, it has self-serve. If they have a truck only, they won't give it to you. But self-serve, you walk right up to the pump, fill it up, walk away. And if you need an N number, make one up. I just happen to know so many airplanes, I just put one in, but that old boy there's got a construction company, and he's got some prime real estate right there, man. There's always a cop sitting there. Yeah, it looks like people moving in some of the stuff now. Nice looking Lear. God, that's an old one too. Look at the N number. Foreign. We might ride over here and take a look at it. Just cause we can, or will. Maybe not can, but will. There's all these T hangers here. I'd love to have me a T hanger over here. I got some neat shit over here. Those should be War Daddy's hangers right there. It looks like they're a long ways from being ready. Shit. They're supposed to move in by now, but yeah, there's a lot of construction shit still in there, so I don't foresee them going in anytime soon. Well, hell, let's just sneak around some more, see what's going on. might ask these folks here how much T-hangers are going for. I sure as hell would like to know myself. Yeah, they're still working on all this stuff. Yeah, these supposed to be War Daddy's stuff. Yeah, he's supposed to have 2 and possibly a 3rd. I gotta get back over there honestly, because I'm supposed to have another 3.7. We're gonna work 3.7 business jet. So we're gonna have to they like me there because 3.7 quad. We got some interesting air machines here. What is that little jet up there? Holy hell, that's cool. What's up, man?
What year is your bike?
75.
I'm a Harley guy, but you know what? Nobody ever made a motor that ran that good.
I know, man. These things are awesome.
I used to have a 750.
Did you?
Oh, man.
Yeah, same basic thing.
I wish I still had it.
Hey, how much are the T-hangers going for? Rental, you know?
Rental?
Yeah.
I think you're renting.
Oh, really?
There's for sale.
That's gonna be high.
I don't know that for a fact, though.
Yeah.
I think you're right around 200.
Woo! Yeah, a little rich for me.
Great bike.
Thank you, man. Hey. $200,000 for, whoo, that's a little high. Hell, I could live in that son bitch. 200,000 foot. Ooh. Alright. Oh, that must be Falcon Aviation Academy. So yeah, that's a flight school over at Peachtree City. I was looking for Noonan. Learn Avionics LLC, huh? That's some cool shit. Garmin. I didn't know they had a Garmin here. Oh, it's Oasis. I guess they got Garmin type shit. Yeah, that's where that little jet was. That's pretty cool looking there. I kind of wonder what the fuck's in there. How you... Yeah, there's a little jet. I'd like to see what was in this hangar. Private facility. Huh. I mean, unless you go down the taxiway, I don't know how you get there from here. And I don't work here, so if this was the Peachtree City Airport, I wouldn't have a damn problem going on the taxiway. I do it all the damn time. But I ain't gonna do that here at Noonan because I don't work here, but yet. Yeah, I'll wait till War Daddy moves over here. I'll be all up and down taxiways. May even go down the runway, haul ass. Woo! What is that? XAUZR. I'll have to look up what country that is. That's all older Lear. They got the tip tanks. XAUZR. We'll look that up when we get home. Maybe I'll put the info here. Yes, sir. This is nice out here today. Well, might go get me some gasoline. New gas station down the road's got 90 octane what the fuck am I saying? Non-ethanol. Hey, that's some prime real estate just to park your equipment. Hell, I'd be ready to sell it to the airport somehow. Or maybe it is, I don't know, but that seems like prime real estate. Look at all these cameras. And that's just not the airport, they're all over this county and well, surrounding counties because of the spike in crime here lately. Could take the interstate, the next exit, or the back roads. I don't know which. This thing burns a lot of gas on the interstate. We'll hit it. Maybe it won't be as windy this time. God, it's windy. Probably don't look like it on the GoPro, but I'm getting knocked all over the damn place.